Signum on Binance Smart Chain. Binance Smart Chain, BSC, is a blockchain network designed for smart contract-based applications, NFTs, and digital assets. Similar to Signum's smart contract platform, developers can deploy native smart contracts on BSC, enjoying significantly lower fees compared to platforms like Ethereum. Cross-chain liquidity, pioneered by Signum, allows seamless integration with other networks like Binance Smart Chain, enhancing Signum's utility and facilitating asset migration onto the Signum network. SIGNA facilitates USDT and WBNB trading on PancakeSwap. Asset wrapping enables assets from one network to interact with another. SIGNA can be converted to WSIGNA (BEP20) using BTDEX and smart contracts, ensuring a 1-1 representation of SIGNA on BSC. Cross-chain integration of SIGNA on BSC allows participation in various applications, such as staking on PancakeSwap, trading, or providing liquidity to earn pool fees. BTDEX, the primary tool for wrapping SIGNA onto Binance Smart Chain as USIGNA. Here's how to wrap SIGNA to BSC or unwrap WSIGNA to the Signum network using BTDEX. Step 1. Configure a BSC-compatible wallet. If you don't have one, install Binance Wallet, Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or another compatible extension. Add WSIGNA token as an asset by entering the contract address 0x7B0E7E46725995D1, DDD730B0805195BA. Step 2. Install the BTDEX software. Create or import a Signum account in BTDEX. Select the WSIGNA market under the Contracts tab. Under the Accounts tab, select the WSIGNA market and enter the WSIGNA address from your Binance wallet. Step 3. BTDEX procedures. Wrapping SIGNA. Accept existing contracts from the order book or create your own. Unwrapping WSIGNA. Follow similar steps to unwrap WSIGNA back to the Signum network. Step 4. Terms and conditions. Please note, review official terms and conditions in BTDEX for accurate transaction details. Seamless integration for enhanced utility.